Breaking news. Anti-IPOB protesters storms National Assembly. Yes, you heard me correctly. A group of young men and women who call themselves an anti-IPOB supporters have stormed the National Assembly. Guess what? Nigerian police were not there to cause any mayhem, to cause them trouble, as they are speaking in terms and something that is against the government of Nigeria. They came there and they are demanding why IPOB is carrying out some of the activities that is going on in the southeastern part of the country. They printed banner and they have a spokesman who is speaking, and this group came to the front of the National Assembly. Since they've been there, they've been no harassment of any form or kind. They've been allowed to carry about the peaceful protest that any other group will want to carry out. And Nigerian government will go strictly on them, asking them why they are having such and such a protest. For this group, is quite different. It's different because they are protesting against Nnamdi Kanu and all he stands for. I'm telling you, the Nigerian government is quite happy with this very protest, and all that is going on. We want to keep you informed so you know exactly what is going on in Nigeria. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time. Let's get all the details. Breaking news. Anti-IPOB protesters storm National Assembly. A protest against the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB was held today at the National Assembly in Abuja. A group of men and women carrying placards with inscription against the prescribed pro-section group were seen in front of the National Complex on Tuesday afternoon. Spo- Politics Nigeria gathered that the protest was organized by one Chukwuemeka Ojofor, popularly known as EJ Speaker. Some of the protesters were seen carrying placards that says "No to IPOB" and their terrorist organization. How is burning WAEC examination materials going to give you Biafra, etc.? The protesters also attacked Abia Senator Abaribi over his reported support for the group and its leader, Nandi Kanu, and all that it stands for. The group were seen in massive protests proclaiming that IPOB should be dealt with the government, as they are carrying out activities that do not support or cry out for the general Igbo man and woman. This protest is ongoing presently in the National Assembly as people are waiting as to what will go on. But what has been observed is that there have been no form of interjection from the police officers or anybody coming to harass them on this front and on this ground. It has been a wonderful time here, and nobody has come to harass them. No policeman whatsoever has come to ask why they were, gathering in such a place. There been no such thing. It's been a peaceful one. And in fact, people are really surprised that Nigerian police and security agencies have not come with any form of resistance at all. It's quite strange because Nigerians were not used to this. All we see is that they come with their cannon water and begin to carry out all form of atrocities against any group of people who are protesting against whatever they feel is not right and is not their concern. But this group has been well received, allowed. I mean, in front of the National Assembly, who dares? In today's day and age. But this one has been well received, and as it's going on here, it's so peaceful. They are being looked, and everything is going quite well. All because it's an anti-IPOB. You see, in life, you're not always going to get the fair side. Yes, some people are for and some people are against. The truth of the matter is, whatever decision and wherever anybody stands, whatever part anybody stands, you just respect people and their opinions, right? Yeah, you don't have to impose yourself on them. This is what is going on. This is what is happening. And IPOB, while we have some that are for, we have some that are against. As it stands now, any house divided against itself can truly, really not stand. Any house, no matter what that house is, so long as it's against itself, it's called game over. It would take God, yeah, for such a house to be able to, unity is a watchword. Burning WAEC material, truly speaking, cannot give the desired result. However, there are ways around it. Yeah, the group, needs to understand that the children will go to school. Yes, and because those who have missed their WAEC now, I don't know how they are going to get these things done. So there's a lot involved. On a more serious note, all this happened in Imo State. Yeah, other people were writing their exams, but these children are yet to write their own exam. And Nigeria is, sorry to say, is one kind of very lawless country that they will not go ahead and prepare exams for those ones and get them, to speed. Unlike other countries, when things like this happen, there were ways around it to ensure that students do not lose or are not lacking behind. You see, so it's not just we doing the government, it's just a few group of people who will suffer it, and largely they're our cousins, our nieces, and our nephews who, brothers and sisters, should really not go through or be put in the middle of all that is going on. You see, all that is happening and all that is going on is really, it's not very palatable. Yes, the government of Nigeria has not listened, but there are ways to get their attention rather than, stopping children from writing exams. But this group, we don't know who they are, but they are standing up and saying that they are not for IPOB, they are not for Unandi Kanu, and then whatever they stand for, they don't believe in whatever they've decided to go ahead and do. And so they said, how does destroying WAEC materials, yeah, give the IPOB or give the Biafra? How does, so this is what is going on in front of the National Assembly. And guess what? No police officer whatsoever has come out to say, how dare you guys? How dare you? Blah, blah, blah. No such thing. You heard me correctly. No such thing whatsoever. So you see this country, welcome to Nigeria, where, injustice and untruth is the order of the day. You see, so these are some of the things ongoing. These are some of the things happening, and it is high time people begin to, rise up to the truth. With this country, what is good for A, Nigerian government will tell you B cannot have it. It's sad, but it's a true reality of things. We don't know if this is staged. We don't know, but right now, this is what is going on. We're here to keep you up to date and to let you know what's going on. And people who are saying, well, we don't believe in Nnamdi Kanu, we don't believe in Biafra, so they should leave us alone. You see, and these are a group of people who has come out to storm the National Assembly. Leave us a comment. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless you. Bye for now.